India's claims of normalizing ties with China are totally falling flat after the recent arrest of Chinese national Hu Kongtai. Despite reopening tourist visas, India's security agencies treated him with such suspicion that a routine visit turned into an absurd claim of espionage. India media immediately piled on allegations, framing his routine digital traces like searches about CRPF deployment or Article 370 are clear signs of spying. This episode proves that India's recent talk of rebuilding ties were nothing more than empty media optics. New Delhi wants to appear cooperative, yet the security forces they continue to view ordinary Chinese nationals with deep suspicion and hostility. This discriminatory enforcement, it is again a deliberate provocation designed to publicly embarrass China by accusing its citizen of espionage. By projecting this case as a national security threat, India is once again trying to manipulate domestic opinion against Beijing. We know that this isn't new. India's security forces, they have a long history of harassing Chinese tourists on false pretexts, like the recent arrest of another citizen falsely accused of violating visa regulations. India officials, they talk about normalization, but their agencies on ground behavior moves in the exact opposite direction. We know this isn't new. Indian security forces, they have a long history of harassing Chinese tourists on false pretexts, like the recent arrest of another citizen falsely accused of violating visa regulations. Indian officials, they talk about normalization, but their agencies on ground behavior moves in the exact opposite direction. This continuous targeting is why China still mistrusts India's efforts. The stability of any potential normalization with China is predictably unsustainable, making India look untrustworthy and unreliable as a regional partner.